Here are some of the scariest mythical creatures from Central and South America. Its name comes from the Quechua language, for Kome meaning death and Sots meaning bat. In their sacred Mayan text, the Popul Vuh, the ancient Quechua people speak of bat-like spirits of the underworld called the Comazots. Legend has it that one of the Maya hero twins stuck his head out to see if the sun had risen. A Comazot snatched off his head. The creature then left it at the court for the Mayan gods to use as a ball in their next game. The lesson: wait for the sun's glow and you won't lose your head. The Pishtoko is a mythological monster who seeks out unsuspecting people and steals their body fat. Pishtoko comes from the word pishte, which means to behead or to slice. In some instances, they use the victim in cannibalistic rituals. In others, the Pishtoko cuts them up and sells the flesh as fried chicharrones. This creature can use its powers for good or evil, depending on its personality. Nagual, also spelled Nahuel, is a shapeshifter or a transforming witch. The creature's name comes from Nahuali, an Aztec word that means disguise. Some cultures believe that powerful men transform themselves into Nagual to perpetrate evil. The Nagual comes in many forms, including a jaguar, a snake, and even a bird. From the Spanish verb chupar, which means to suck, and cabra, which is goat, its name literally means goat sucker. The chupacabra is a grotesque menacing monster that attacks animals and sucks their blood. La Llorona, the crying woman or the wailer. Known throughout Mexico and Central and South America, the ghostly figure of a weeping woman roams near various bodies of water. Her legend existed during the time of the conquistadores, but it may go back to the Aztecs. La Llorona wails because she mourns for the children she drowned in a jealous rage, after learning her husband cheated. La Tule Val has a mixed legend. In some instances, she is an old woman who takes her revenge against bratty children. In another legend, she is a beautiful woman who had an affair with a man and got pregnant. She drowned the child and was punished by God to steal people's children, so that she can feed them with her swollen breasts leaking milk. It's said that ants always follow Lotuleview around, drinking whatever milk falls to the ground.
Like, subscribe, comment, and share.